Alright, welcome to another episode of The Den. This is your boy, Bboy Volk, and today we're going to talk about get downs and footworks. So, a get down is a way to move from the top rock to the floor, to footwork. And what is footwork? Footwork is everything that is here on the floor, so like a 6-step, like a 3-step, like an 8-step, red, you know, like whatever. Shabaya. So if we're going to be doing like a top rock 2-step to like a W just looks like this, okay? We could just do like, but that's really boring, and you know, who wants to be boring? Trying to express yourself and be an individual, right? So let's do that. We're gonna add your own kind of twist on this motion, and add a little spin. So we do the same thing, but we're gonna do a spin and gonna do a W and a get down. And to make it even easier, we're gonna step first instead of jumping. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, step, step, down. Okay? And then how to do a W, super quick. I'm leaning back, my knees are going forward, my hand is grabbing the floor or stopping my body from falling. Bam, I'm in a W. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the same exact thing with a get down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. One more time. 3, 4, step, step, down. Okay? Now let's add a little spin. So, let's test to see if you can spin. Let's first do a jump. Awesome, good jump. Let's just do a spin. Now I'll do a spin jump. Okay? If you don't know how to do a spin jump, I'm going from here in this foot, and then I'm popping off here and landing with this foot, going around. And if you want to be a superstar, this foot is dragging me across when I jump. Like that. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to land and we're going to go down to a W. 3, 2, 1, down. Okay? So, now we're going to do a 2-step, 2 spinning, get down, W. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1. We're going to do 4, 2, 3, 4, get down, ba, to here. The thing with get downs is that anything can be a get down, you know? That's a get down. That's a get down. That's a get down. You know? So, like I said in the other video, it's really just kind of based on where your imagination ends. So let's do the same thing we just did. We're just going to do a jumping W get down, and then we're going to do a 3-step right after. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, 1. We're going to do 4. 3, 3, 4, shabuya. 1, down, and then from here, we're going to go to footwork. Alright? You should always be on your toes, like this. So if you're not comfortable in this position, get in this position and hold it. Even to the point, you should be able to do stuff like this. Boom. If you're able to do stuff like that. If you can do that, you're good for footwork. Alright, so we're going to go over a 3-step. Why is it called 3-step? 3 steps, okay? Alright, so here we go. So we're going to go to a push-up position. I'm going to go in this direction so you guys can see. So we're here in the push-up position. I'm going to do the 3-step footwork, okay? So first maneuver is your left arm is getting up. Your left leg is bending, your right leg is straight, and when I open up my arm, I have all this free space. What's up, Aaron? I have all this free space here, and that's where my body is going to turn and go, okay? So we're going to go in this direction. 1, 2, 3. This leg leads. Jump to here. Okay? Step 2, switch your feet. Difficult, right? Okay. Step 3, don't mess this up. So many people I teach mess this up. I don't know why. Your straight leg is here. You can tell I'm more annoyed at this part because my voice volume is increasing. Straight leg is here. Both of your arms go in the direction of your straight leg. It makes zero sense when your body is closed off, but you turn and spin this way. 0 sense, do not do that. We're here, our body is lifting up, and I'm twisting my hips to go back to here. Alright, one more time from here. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, hand up, bending, straight. Switch. Straight leg, both hands here, turn over, hop. One more time for good measure, fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that was a get down and a 3-step footwork. If you're paying attention, you should have all of these under your belt now. So you should have a 2-step, moving to a 4-step, moving to a drunken sailor. Then we do a get down, boom. Then we do 3-step, lean forward. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more time. And go 3-step, boom, and up. Boom. Thank you guys for watching. Keep training. I'll see you in the next one.